garden friends. So I'm back with this really cute little container here. Another glazed terracotta. Look at that. And I'll show you the detail in this one. Ooh. Looks like a black ocean with like the shore coming. Isn't it? Isn't it nice? And how there's kind of like a little blue or green. Oh, it's just so pretty. I found this and I was like, yeah, I found quite a few of these. And I got all different colors. So it's black with this beautiful like foamy white print on them. And it's got a really pretty rim. It's kind of like marbled. So pretty. Love it. So I'll show you the plants that I have for this one right here. And I'm going to put this aside over here. I have Kalanchoe Panda plant. Check that out. So it's a silvery colored succulent and it's fuzzy. Oh, look at that. That's gonna add that pop of color that I need in this arrangement. It's for sure the star of the show. It's, you know, there's no doubt about it. And you can see the margins are that copper brown and that silver, that contrast. It's just so beautiful. Kalanchoe Panda plant. I have Autumnal compensis. This is a trailing succulent and it's known as, oh man, it's not ruby slippers, it's ruby necklace. And if you give this enough sun, these little bean-like leaves that you see turn dark purple. It's such a beautiful plant. Let me focus that in so you can see the leaves here. Oh my gosh, and this one's already pretty long and it's in a 2-incher. So beautiful. That's gonna add that little, you know, trailing effect since this container is a little tall. So I always want to take advantage of that. This one here is an Echeveria lime and chili. So you can see how it's like, it looks like it would be variegated, but this is how they are. They kind of have that like little cream streaks on them. They're super special. They're little compact, super round rosette style succulent. It's that lime green color, lime and chili. I've got a gorgeous Sempervivum. I think this one is mahogany, but I'm not really sure. Look at that color. My goodness, it's just like that. I mean, Sempervivums are they're kind of unbelievable because you think that they're fake, but they're not. They're real. And guess what? They're hardy. So beautiful. So they can take super, super cold weather. They can, you know, they can handle the frost. Most succulents are tender. They're tender soft, you know. This one is hardy. So beautiful. So when they're super beautiful, rosette style and hardy, that's a triple threat right there. Sempervivum. And to add some height to this arrangement, this is an aloe. Vertical grower, this is a sansevieria. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Check that out. Check that pattern out. So it's green with like dots or stripes, white stripes on it. And it's got those like pretty lethal teeth there, but it's not that sharp. So it's not super scary. And it looks like a star from up above. Look at that. So beautiful. All right, so we are ready for this arrangement to get started. And I'm gonna grab my soil here. Gonna fill this baby up. Nice fluffy soil. Such a relaxing day. It's the evening now. Had a long day. Time for some plant therapy. Perfect. So I'm going to start with my sansevieria right over here. And I'm going to start in this corner here. Tuck that in, just like so. Shuffle that soil around. There we go. Now I'm going to add more soil. Ooh, that's a big stick. Let's get that out. Don't need that. Only get in the way. There we go. Okay. Now that I've got that there, I think I'm gonna go for my Sempervivum. I don't want to leave that one out. So put it right next to the Sansevieria, and it's really delicate. These, at least the leaves, they're kind of rigid, you know, so they're not super flexible. So if you're working with some Sempervivums, and if they kind of break off a little, don't be surprised. It's gonna happen. Okay, so I've got, oh, that is so beautiful right there. Oh man, it's the life of the party. Now I'm gonna add my lime and chili right over here, right next to the Sempervivum. Boom, right there. Such a simple arrangement. Oh, I just love them. Then I'm gonna add a small panda plant right here. At least one, because I really like the color of it, because it looks like my container is a little too small to add all of these three here, because they're pretty big plants. But I will at least add one of them, and I'll kind of add it right there in the corner, right there, just like that, because this Autumnal, this one right here, it's a big one. So I'm gonna try and fit it right in the middle here. And I keep hitting the camera there, so if it's wobbly, sorry about that. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna try. You know what? I'm gonna gonna hold that lime and chili. And I'm gonna take some of that dirt out, just like I did right there. Cluster up my roots here and kind of work with the bottom of my knitting needle and kind of just press down on them without tearing the roots apart. Okay, so I kind of have no choice there. And I'm gonna kind of lift these up a bit. They kind of, ooh, I kind of broke that off just like that. But guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take one of these beans out, make a little hole for it, and stick it right in. But I'm gonna make sure that that stem is in soil so it can do its thing. So even though I broke it off, but I'm still sticking it in soil, the stem will create roots and it'll bury itself in there. It'll be nice and happy. So just like that. Wow. Wow, this ruby necklace is really fluffy. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is the effect that I was really going for. Just like that. Oh man, that was easy. Too bad that I didn't get the other panda plants in there, but at least I got one. And I'm gonna set this to the side here while I clean my surface here. And that came out so nice, and it was so simple with that Sempervivum right there. Oh, so beautiful. The Sansevieria creating that height that I want. The silver panda plant, and it's a little dirty. Oh my gosh, the trailing of the Autumnal right there. And of course that little rosette tucked in, just so tucked in with love right in there. That was an easy one. I loved it. I love it, I mean. And I hope that you enjoyed it. And check out our website at suckycrafts.com, and hopefully these are still available. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye garden friends.